Playgroup Literacy Skills English. Hello my beautiful children. I hope my little kids are doing great. Children, it's a new day and we are going to learn something new together. Okay, are you all ready? So, I'm going to teach you all to do pre-writing activities. We are going to learn the correct way to hold the pencil and we are going to learn how to write nicely. Okay, children? Now everyone sit properly and get ready for the lesson. Children, before starting the lesson, I want you all to know some important tips for pre-writing. Important tips. So, when I say important, you all should sit properly and listen carefully to what I say. Okay? Right. First important point is we should hold the pencil properly. Now, can you all see there are two pictures in the side of the slide? That is the correct way to hold the pencil properly, children. Okay. The second point is when we are writing, when we are tracing on the dotted lines, we have to write only on the dotted lines. Okay? We have to write only on the dotted lines. And when we are writing, we have to write in one go without raising the pencil from time to time. Okay? And then when we are writing, we have to slowly move from dot to dot. Okay? When we are writing, we have to slowly concentrate and write slowly and move from dot to dot. It's very easy. Okay? When you write and practice, then it will become very easy for you all. Okay, children? Children, first of all, we are going to learn how to write a standing line. Here, see, this is called a standing line. Now, children, when we stand up straight, our bodies look straight, right? So, like that, this line is also straight and it looks like as if it is standing. Okay, so this is called a standing line. Here, see, when we trace the dots on the standing line, it looks like this. Once again, you can see here. Okay, children. So, what is this line is called? This line is called as a standing line. Very good. Children, the second line we have is the sleeping line. The sleeping line. When you say sleeping, can you all imagine the way you sleep? So then this line also should look like as if the line is sleeping, right? Oh yes, here see. Okay children, now look carefully. I'm going to trace on the dots. Do you all want to see it again? Okay, now who can tell me what is this line is called? This line is called a sleeping line and it looks like as if the line is sleeping, right? Very good. Now we learn the standing line and the sleeping line. We have another two lines and those two lines are called slant lines. Slant lines. Here see, this is the first slant line that we have. Can you see how the line is slanted? That is why we call it a slant line. Okay, now let's trace on the dots. This is the direction that you all have to trace. Okay. Here see, I traced on the dots. Once again watch. Okay, now we have another slant line. This is the other one. Okay. It is also slanted. That's why we call it a slant line. Now I am going to trace on the dots to this direction that the arrow is indicating. Okay. Here see how I traced on the dots. It's very easy. You can do this easily, children. Kids, we are done with the lines. Now we have 4 curves to learn. Okay, shall we see what the first curve is? It is the left curve. Can you all see the left curve? Why do we call this as the left curve? Because the curve is pointed towards the left side. The curve is pointed towards the left side. So we call this as the left curve. Now I am going to write and show you all on the left curve. Okay. Did you all see how I traced on the dotted lines nicely? Okay. Now tell me, what is this curve, children? This is the left curve. Very good. Now we have another curve. It is the right curve. Here see, this is the right curve, children. Why do we call this as the right curve? Because the curve is pointed towards the right side. So we call this as a right curve. Now I am going to trace on the dots and show you all. Okay. Did you all see how I slowly traced on the dotted lines? What is this curve is called, children? Right curve. Very good. Children, now I am going to show you all the up curve. The up curve. This is the up curve. Why do we call this as the up curve? Because the curve is pointed towards the up side. Okay. Now I am going to slowly write on the dotted lines. Did you all see how I traced on the dotted lines nicely? Very good. Now I am going to show you all the down curve. The down curve. We call this as the down curve because the curve is pointed towards the down side. Right? Now once again I am going to trace on the lines nicely and slowly I am tracing on it. Can you see how I did it? Okay. See how easy it is to trace on lines if you hold the pencil properly and trace on the lines slowly, then you also can write nicely. Okay, children? Children, it's time to do something very interesting. Everyone take your index fingers. Point out your index fingers, children. Okay, now can you all see? We have 3 line patterns. We have 3 line patterns and we are going to trace on the line patterns one by one. Are you all ready to do it? Okay, let's do the first one then. Keep the finger at the beginning of the line and then slowly move your finger on the line pattern. Slowly move your finger on the line pattern. I will do that and show you. Here, see? You have to move your fingers on the line pattern, children. Okay? Keep it on the line and move your finger slowly. Right? Very good. Now shall we try the second line pattern? Okay. Now keep your fingers at the beginning of the line. Now you have to slowly trace on the line pattern and take the curves nicely. Okay, let's start. Did you all trace on the line pattern? Yes? Very good. Now we have another one and it's the last line pattern we have on the slide. Keep your fingers at the beginning of the line. Now slowly start tracing on the line pattern. Slowly trace, children. Did they all do it? Very good. My children are very clever. I am very happy about you. Children, today we learnt a lot together, right? We learned the way to write the standing line, sleeping line, slant lines and 4 curves. And also we traced on 3 line patterns. See, you all are very clever and I am very happy. So we'll meet again soon with another interesting lesson like this. Thank you for joining with me. Stay safe, children.